Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how we can build an AI agent which will place trade behalf on our side. Welcome to SliceAlgo. Here you can see my dashboard. Now let's see how we can assign an AI agent which will take trades on the behalf of ourselves. First, on the side, left hand side, we go AI agent. In here we can create our own agent, but the SliceAlgo has given 5 agent options. According to our risk appetite, we should take the agents. The number one is the capital shield, the macro accumulator, the the grid arbitrage, the alpha momentum, and execution scalper. From all these five, I found that alpha momentum is best because of its risk ratio and ROI it's giving. So first, we'll go to that setup the board. Here we can see the leverage options, the performance of this chart, how it performed. First, then we set up the bot. Here it's a demo account, I already told you. So first it's asking how much we want to invest. $100 we will invest. The leverage, the more you take the more risk is there, so I will suggest you to switch between the 10 to 25x. Now we'll set the stop loss limit. 50% of stop loss, it's your choice, or if you want to be safe you can minimum take 5% of stop loss. Now here you can see select the market. The trending market, we will select crypto. We will trade in BTC USDT. Now here it's the summary what we have selected. First, the market we have chosen is BTC USD. The funds we are applying is $100. The leverage we are taking is 25x. Our stop loss is 5%. Now we'll just click on confirm and start trading. We'll deploy our bot. Our bot is successfully deployed. On the home page we can see how many bots are working for us. Here is the alpha bot, alpha momentum we have traded. Here is my AI agent alpha momentum we have built. You can see how much you made daily progress. Thanks for watching.